Hello dear friends, very warm welcome to my channel Graceful Karma. Today I'm going to share you about how we can monetize our YouTube channel, and for that I'm going to help you out with very simple techniques with organized manner, step by step. Please stay with me till the end of this video, and please subscribe my channel before we see this video. Okay friends, here we are starting our video by step and step. Step number 1, please sign in to YouTube first if you haven't yet. For that you have to open YouTube channel and sign in. And step number 2, go to YouTube Studio. For that you have to hover your icon towards the left side of the screen. You will see the YouTube Studio there, and then just give a click. Step number 3, go to the left menu and select content. You will see the content there, and please click on that. After that we have step 4, and for step 4 we have to select your particular video. You just hover and click there, and after number 5 you go to the left and you'll get this select menu for the monetization. Please go there and click monetization. After that you will be seeing this screen, and then you see this notify me when I'm eligible. YouTube will show you this button, and please click there. Here we go to the step number 6. Choose the type of ads that you want to run with your video. There will be given a number of options to choose, and please choose one. After this we have step number 7. Click to the save, and your settings will be done with this, and now you can earn money from YouTube channel, so that you'll be inspired for the further videos. Also, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the next update.